those are some really old maps, but today we are going to update those in Audi MMI system. I'm going to show you how to check which version you have, how to download new maps, how to prepare the SD card with the update, and how to perform the maps update over here. So first of all, let's go to menu, let's scroll to settings, and right now use the left key to switch the view to system maintenance. Over here we have version information, and we can see that the navigation database is from 2019, so it's 5 years old right now. And what's else needed? So let's go back to menu. We want to check two more things. We want to check if we have the MMI MIB2 High or MIB1 High version, because there are different versions of the MMI system and they are using different maps, and we want to make sure that we are using the correct maps, because, well, we don't want to waste time on downloading a huge update package which will not be useful for us. So we are going to enter the hidden red menu, and to do this we need to push this switch forward and pull this switch backwards, starting with this one. Keep this in this position for about 3 seconds, and after 3 seconds we should see the red engineering menu. So let's go to version information, and we can see the firmware that's installed in the unit. We can see that it starts with MHI2. This means that we have the MIB2 High system. If you have MHIG, MIB1 High, those maps will also work for you, but there are other systems like MHS2 or MSTD, MST2. Well, there are different systems, and you want to make sure that you are downloading the right one. So we know which system we have. Let's check the license. Go back, go to system, go to activation keys, and over here we have all the licenses, all the activation keys for different features, and this is the one that we are looking for, 023000EE. This is a lifetime license for maps updates for MMI MIB2 High. If you have MIB1 High, this will look a little bit different. It will be 021000EE. And I've already made a video about getting this license code. I'm linking it somewhere in the description below this video, so check it out. And right now, I believe we have all the information that we need to prepare the SD card. So let's go to the PC. This is MIBhelper.com. It will help you find all the useful things for your MMI unit. So over here we have the firmware that we just checked in the hidden menu. We can press go over here, and it will show us all the cool things about this unit, as well as GPS navigation maps updates. And we have Europe, 26 gigs when it's compressed. And after downloading it, you want to unzip it, you want to expand this archive and prepare an SD card. So over here, I have a 64 gigs SD card formatted with FAT32 file system. And on this SD card, I've already copied the downloaded package. Yeah. So this is the maps update package containing just 3 things. MIB1 folder, MIB2 folder, and the meta info to text file. So you want all those 3 things directly copied to your SD card. Not the archive, not hidden in some kind of a folder, just directly when you open the SD card, you want those 3 things on it. That's all you need to prepare on the SD card. So right now we can take this SD card and go back to the vehicle. Okay, so back in the vehicle, I have the engine on because this update will take about 45 minutes. I have the SD card inserted into the SD1 port over here in the main unit in the glove box, but you can also use a USB drive and connect it to the one of the USB ports in your vehicle. And there are 2 ways to start the update. You can either use the hidden red menu, and it will be performed as any other firmware update, so the unit will reboot into the software download mode and so on. But you can also do this differently. If you go to settings, to the left, system maintenance, and over here version information, you can go to navigation database and select update countries, and it will show you as the one like as the update source. So we are going to select this and we are going to update this way, and I will tell you why we are choosing this method over the hidden menu. Well, if you are using this method, the unit will not reboot into software download mode. In fact, it will stay in normal operation mode, which will allow you to use the vehicle normally. So it takes 45 minutes and you can travel in 45 minutes a long way. So you will still be able to use navigation while the update is performed, and you can even use the old maps while the new maps are still copied. So that's pretty much all the difference, yeah. Over here we can see that the navigation database was detected, so we can press start the update. Update being performed in the background, you can still use the navigation system and MMI, and we can see the progress bar over here. And right now I believe all we have to do is wait. Over here in the bottom left corner we have this little progress bar, already at 1%, this little progress bar. So for example, if we go to media or to radio, we can still see that the update is being performed and we can control how far it is. And if we want to check details, we want to go back to menu, back to settings, left, maintenance, version information, navigation database, update, and we are back over here. Okay, so as I said, right now all we need to check, all we need to do is wait. And some of you might be curious why I update the maps when, for example, CarPlay with Google Maps or Apple Maps is working so good. Well, there are actually 3 reasons. 1, as a backup navigation. 2, if you are using predictive active cruise control, this system is using your navigation database to work together with the camera and with the front-facing radar. So together those 3 systems, the radar, the camera and the GPS database, are making sure that the predictive active cruise control is working as good as it can. And the third reason is, what was the third reason? The traffic sign recognition over here. This also works together with the navigation database. So not only the camera that looks at the traffic signs, but also the navigation database is constantly comparing with each other the information about speed limits and so on. And based on this, you will have the most accurate speed limits on your display. And if you are traveling on roads that are not on the navigation map over here, like me, I'm using roads that were not created so that long ago, they are not on the maps. Well, you can have a fault like this one on your instrument cluster each time you are off-road. So to fix this traffic sign fault code, to make sure that your predictive active cruise control is working correctly, and to have a backup navigation, those are your 3 reasons to update your GPS maps in Audi MMI system. Oh, we are already at 6%. So let's leave it for a couple more minutes. It looks like it's done. So let's press OK. Version information 2024. Maps are working. Also over here, so I believe. That's it. So right now we can take the SD card and remove it, and we have up-to-date navigation database installed in the unit. Okay, so that's pretty much it. In the description below this video you will have all the needed details to perform this in your vehicle. That's it for today. Hope that you liked this simple tutorial. Give me a thumbs up and see you soon.